Welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Broadway Bank mobile app, a powerful tool designed to put full banking capabilities in the palm of your hand. This app is built to provide Broadway Bank customers with easy, secure access to their accounts anytime and anywhere. With Broadway Bank Mobile, users can quickly check their account balances, view recent transactions, and transfer funds between accounts with ease. The app also supports mobile check deposits, which allow you to deposit checks simply by taking a photo, eliminating the need to visit a branch. This feature is especially convenient for busy users who prefer to manage their finances on the go. Bill pay functionality is seamlessly integrated, letting you schedule one-time or recurring payments directly from the app. This helps you stay on top of your financial commitments without the worry of missing due dates. Additionally, you can easily set up alerts and notifications to keep track of important account activities like deposits, withdrawals, and suspicious transactions. Security is a top priority with Broadway Bank Mobile. The app uses advanced encryption methods to protect your data and offers multi-factor authentication to ensure that only you can access your account. You can also customize security settings and receive instant alerts for any unusual or unauthorized activity. The app's interface is user-friendly and straightforward, making navigation simple even for those who are new to mobile banking. Customer support is accessible within the app, allowing you to quickly get assistance or answers to any questions you may have. Overall, Broadway Bank Mobile provides a secure, convenient, and comprehensive mobile banking experience. Whether you want to manage daily transactions, pay bills, or deposit checks, this app offers all the essential features needed for efficient banking on the move. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutorialorbiz@gmail.com.